Supplemental Needs Trust, file 52663.
All right, we're on record on a petition to approve the first accounting. May I have the names of our participants, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Lindsay Artis, appearing on behalf of co-trustees Brendan and Megan Van Etten.
All right, could you introduce yourselves, please?
Hi, I'm Brandon Van Etten.
And I'm Megan Van Etten.
Thank you both. All right, Ms. Artis, whenever you're ready.
Yeah, so this is the date and time set for our first annual account. All income and expenses are true and accurate to the best of our knowledge. The starting and ending balances are verified by statements attached at the back, and we also have an itemization of all those expenses and income. All interested parties have been served. We've received no objections. All of the fees incurred are reasonable, and we would ask that the petition be granted as prayed.
Thank you. Do you wish to take any verification under oath from your clients, or are you satisfied with the presentation that you've produced in the file and put on record?
I am satisfied with the proofs that have been filed. However, if this court would prefer that some testimony be taken, I'd be happy to do so.
You know, I do have a question, but I'm not sure it needs to be answered under oath. I see there's service dog supplies. I'm just wondering what kind of dog was employed.
So we have a German Shepherd dog who is a trained therapy dog for Alden. She is wonderful at alerting when he tries to leave our house. She's good at corralling him when we're outside and playing, so he doesn't try to elope away from us. And she is good at doing some deep compression. He asks for hugs and she'll lay on top of him.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Is there anything else that you wanted to share today? Or say? All right, well, the court finds all interested parties were given notice for purposes of today's hearing. I too have reviewed the file of proposed accounting, and they are as represented. The accounts appear to be correct and ought to be allowed, including the fees and costs as set forth. And so I'm signing the order allowing the same. Thank you. And unless there's any questions, that's all on this file.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
This is the matter of the Supplemental Needs Trust for Krista Garner, file 43418. Good none.
Good none, yes. Yes, I
I
read
read that
that.
totally wrong.
That's okay. All right, so we're on record on a petition requesting the allowance for the 13th, 14th, and 15th annual accounts. May I have the names of our participants, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Adrian Dar on behalf of the trustee, Marcia Ganun. This is the 13th, 14th, and 15th annual accounting. We're asking allowance for the accounting. I prepared the information with the documents received from Mrs. Ganun. She is Krista's mom. The information is true, fair, and accurate to the best of my knowledge and belief. We have served all the interested parties and there's been no objections received. And there's been no disbursements made.
Thank you. Yes, I see there's really very little action on this file, just a little bit of accumulation of interest over the last 3 years. Is that accurate?
That's correct, yes.
All right, very good. All right, well, the court finds all interested parties were given notice for purposes of petition to approve the accountings. The information appears to be correct, and the order will reflect approval of the same. I don't see any bill for your services either, Ms. Dar, so thank you for assisting the family and making sure these filings are complete.
No problem. Thank you so much. Have a